Hello, friends. Today is Thursday before Easter, and you have gone home today with a paper plate and an envelope that has your name on it, and it's got these really cute little eggs with pretty patterns on them, okay? So what you're going to do with that is you're going to take your paper plate. Mine's a little different than yours because I didn't have any more of those. So I'm going to fold it in half to cut right here to get it started. And I drew a line on it. There we go. I drew a line where I want to cut so that I don't cut too far out. I still want there to be this little edge right here because that's where I'm going to glue my eggs, okay? So I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to be careful. Cut around here. You might want mom or dad to do this for you because it's not really as easy as it looks. Okay, so I got all that cut off. Okay, then I'm going to take, I can use either regular glue or I could use my glue stick. And I'm going to put glue all the way around the edge of my circle. Okay, so I'm taking my glue and I'm just going to put a little line all the way around. Mom and Dad probably want to help you with this because we haven't spent a whole lot of time using liquid glue. But a glue stick would work also. You just put it in the same place. And then you're going to take your eggs and you're going to put them around the plate. I think I want that one to go under there so that I can see that bunny face right there. And spread them out. I think I'm going to put this one next. Here. Now, that one there. This one. That one there. And then I'm going to kind of spread them out so that they fill up the whole circle. Like that. Okay? So then there is my egg wreath. And I can put glitter on it. I could put a bow on it. I could add some Easter stickers to it if I wanted to, or some flower stickers. You can decorate it up some more and make it as pretty as you want. I would love it if you would send me a picture of your wreath when you're finished with it, okay? I hope you had fun. Have a great day. Happy Easter.